Your front entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, improves energy efficiency, and sets the tone for curb appeal. In Clinton Township, where homes face everything from cold winters to humid summers, an aging or damaged entry door can quickly become a problem. If you're unsure whether repair is enough or a full replacement is the smarter option, here are the key signs that it may be time to invest in a new front door. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you feel cold air seeping in during winter or notice your home struggling to stay cool in summer, your front door may be the culprit. Older doors often lose their seal due to warping, worn weather stripping, or frame issues. These gaps allow outside air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing energy costs. A new, properly insulated entry door can dramatically improve comfort and efficiency. Visible damage or warping. Cracks, peeling, rust, or warping are more than cosmetic issues. In Clinton Township's fluctuating temperatures, wooden doors can swell or shrink, while metal doors may dent or corrode over time. If your door no longer sits squarely in the frame or is difficult to open and close, replacement is usually more cost-effective than repeated repairs. Difficulty locking or closing the door. Your front door should close smoothly and lock securely every time. If you're constantly adjusting the handle, forcing the lock, or dealing with misalignment, this could signal structural issues. Over time, these problems compromise security and convenience. A new entry door with modern hardware ensures reliable performance and peace of mind. Noticeable noise from outside. Hearing traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity more clearly than before can mean your door no longer provides adequate sound insulation. Modern entry doors are designed with better materials and tighter seals that help reduce outside noise, an important upgrade if you value a quieter, more comfortable home. Moisture between glass panels or inside the frame. If your entry door has glass inserts and you notice fogging, condensation, or moisture buildup between panes, the seal has likely failed. This not only looks unattractive but also reduces insulation and can lead to further damage. Replacing the door restores clarity, efficiency, and long-term durability. Outdated appearance hurting curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice. An outdated or worn door can make your entire home feel tired, even if the rest of the exterior is well maintained. Replacing it with a modern design, fresh color, or decorative glass instantly boosts curb appeal and can even increase property value, an advantage if you plan to sell in the future. Security concerns. Older doors may lack reinforced cores, strong frames, or modern locking systems. If your door feels flimsy or doesn't offer the level of security you want, replacement is a smart move. Today's entry doors are built with enhanced materials and advanced lock options that better protect your home and family. Why replacement makes sense in Clinton Township. With Michigan's changing seasons, a reliable front entry door is essential. A new door offers improved insulation, better security, lower energy bills, and a refreshed look, all in one upgrade. Instead of constantly repairing an aging door, replacement provides lasting benefits and greater confidence in your home's protection. If you're noticing one or more of these signs, replacing your front entry door could be one of the most impactful improvements you make to your Clinton Township home.